Hello everybody. Today we are going to see new feature developed by Apagen, which is Indian Employee Register, primarily focusing on employee register customized to Indian requirements. To do so, you have human resources menu under which you can create employees. After clicking on create, you can start creating the records, starting with name, work contact number, work email, choose the company. If you have multiple companies, choose one of them. Biometric code in case of a biometric attendance integration. In this case, code will be entered. Choosing a particular location, choosing a shift if applicable, adding a designation, department, choosing a sub department if applicable. So in this case there is no sub department. Choosing a category and grade if applicable. Personal information, you can enter information like nationality, your religion in case PAN card is available. Aadhaar number. All these needs to be valid. You have possibility to attach these documents as well. UN number, which is for PF, Provident Fund number, account number, your ESI number. In case there is no bank account, this will be checked. If bank account is available, you can add your gender, marital status, your date of birth. The system will not allow anybody to be hired below 18 years, so it will not allow. In family information, you can enter the spouse details, date of birth, father's name, mother's name. You can enter children details with their name, gender, date of birth, Aadhaar number, and attachment. You can specify your emergency contacts, specify a relation. You can go to educational details right from starting with mentioning the degree, period attended date, define the course, your main subjects, marks that you obtained, special achievement, and put your attachment. Similarly, you can add a lot of information for certification as well, computer skills, and the languages that you know. Then for employment, you will be defining the company information where you will be mentioning your previous employment. Then you will be defining, putting the designation, define your tenure, you can define your reasons for leaving here. Similarly, domain experience can be added. Next is medical information, where you enter the details of your medical history and some information which is relevant, like doctor name, your blood group, do you have any disabilities, and so on. Here you can attach additional documents like your certificates or any other document which is required by the company. And finally, in HR settings, you will have your date of joining, the evaluation plan, leave structure, and payroll will be subsequently added as your employment goes live. Since right now no leaves have been earned, so this remains blank. After this information has been created, you can click on save. It has warned me that you cannot have two employees with same UN. So I'm going to enter a UN number. Once this is created, this information remains in draft state, which can be sent to approval to the HR manager or HR head of the company. Please note that this procedure is required to ensure that this information is verified. And once this information is verified, the employee goes into confirm state, in which the employee code would be generated. As you can see, it has now moved to awaiting confirmation stage, after which the confirm button would be clicked and your employee has now been created. You can also see that there is an employee code which is generated, which can be modified and managed accordingly. You have an option to print a personal data log form which contains all the details of this employee. That's all for this video. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.